All right, so there is some big news on the vaccine front for kids specifically. The nation's top infectious disease expert says more kids could get vaccinated soon. Let's bring in Francesca Amiker to tell us why this is so. A lot of parents looking forward to this while some are still a little bit skeptical.
Oh, absolutely. And they have reason to be skeptical, right? We're talking kids as young as toddlers. They could be eligible by Thanksgiving. And Dr. Fauci says he's cautiously optimistic that children younger than 12 would be eligible for the shot. He said they're currently doing studies in children from ages 12 to 9, and then from 9 to 6, and then 6 to 2, and even 6 months old to 2 years old. Doctors say children under the age of 12 are far less likely to have severe cases of COVID-19, but they can still get infected and spread it to others. Right now, Pfizer is the only one with a vaccine available for children ages 12 and up. So what exactly does that mean for kids in the classroom? Well, if vaccination rates improve, the CDC might lift its mask mandate in schools even before the fall return. And the CDC is signaling it may lift that recommendation over the summer. So as of now, the Atlanta-based agency is still recommending that students wear masks in the classroom setting. CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky says vaccination rates among children could change that. She says the agency is reviewing both COVID infection and vaccination rates. And right now, vaccines are only approved for children as young as 12 years old, but not any younger. Walensky says she believes the guidance to wear masks in schools will go away before the next school year begins. And the nation hitting a grim threshold in its fight against COVID as the push to get all Americans vaccinated continues. 600,000 people have now lost their lives due to COVID-19 since the start of the pandemic right here in the U.S. That's according to an NBC News tally. The nation surpassed 500,000 deaths in February, just a little over 100 days ago. According to a report last month, data compiled by Johns Hopkins University puts the global COVID-19 death toll at more than 3 million. And that number coming on the same day that the 7-day average pace of vaccinations in the U.S. fell below 1 million doses per day. That's the first time since January. And just over half of the U.S. population have received at least one dose of the vaccine, and nearly 137 million Americans are fully vaccinated. Now, the pace of vaccinations among children between the ages of 12 and 15 is about 75,000 vaccinations every single day. But health experts say even though the rate of COVID-19 infections is falling, it's still very important to get that vaccination.